In this video, I'll be showing you how to pay a check into your Starling Bank account. I'll be using the official website for general guidance, but remember, check deposits can only be completed through the Starling mobile app, so keep watching to know exactly how the process works. To start, you can visit the official Starling Bank website to read their information on check deposits. You can't deposit a check through the website, but it's a good place to get an overview of the rules and requirements. Now, here's how to deposit a check using the Starling app. Open the mobile app and log into your account. On your account home screen, tap the menu or the three dots and choose Deposit a Check. Enter the amount exactly as written on the check, then use your phone's camera to take clear photos of both the front and the back. Once you've done that, confirm and submit your deposit. You'll receive a notification letting you know that your check is being processed. Funds usually appear within 1 to 2 working days, although larger checks or certain banks may take a little longer. A quick reminder, Starling only accepts GBP checks issued by UK banks. Foreign currency checks or post-dated checks can't be processed. Since I don't have access to an active Starling account, I can't show the exact in-app screens, but the steps are simple and clearly explained once you're inside the app. You'll find all the official Starling Bank links and support pages in the description below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.